Hello everyone, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Today we're going to be diving into the Profusion SUNKISSED palette with this really pretty green and yellow kind of look. It's bright, it's fun, it's in your face, and it is easy to do, and the palette we're working with is so nice, and I cannot wait to share more looks with you using the SUNKISSED palette from Profusion. So to get started, as always, we're priming our eyelids with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and we're using the Profusion SUNKISSED eyeshadow palette, and this was, I think, about $13 at Walmart. The first shade we're going to be picking up is called Likeable, and I'm just using it as a transition shade, and it's going to help other colors blend out easier while laying on top of it, if that makes sense. So we're using that in our crease, just buffing that in. We're going to be picking up Sage, and this is a really pretty matte green. How beautiful. Sage is so beautiful. You will be seeing it in upcoming tutorials again. I am using that on a smaller crease brush, less fluffy, more dense also. We're applying the Sage in our crease and our outer corner, really buffing that in, and then we're going to be taking a mixture of Sage and Ignite. Now Ignite is a shimmery shade, but it doesn't transfer that much on the lid unless if you were using it by itself. We're mixing it with a matte though, so it's not like so shimmery, but I just want to deepen that up, and it's such a beautiful shade as well. And I'm just packing it on right now. We're also bringing those shades to the lower lash line. I'm going to pop that in my waterline as well. If you've never used eyeshadow in your waterline, be forewarned that it may burn a little bit, especially the eyeshadow by itself over applying it on top of an eyeliner. But I liked how that green looked in my waterline, so we went with it. Now next up, I'm applying Winning to the brow bone, and I'm just placing the color and then blending it out with the Likeable brush and the Sage and Ignite shade. We're also going to be picking up Burst from the eyeshadow palette on a flat shader brush, and I'm going to apply that to the lid a little bit in the inner corner, blending it with the crease shades as well. And this look, they're all in like shades, so they're easy to blend out. I'm also going to be taking this Burst shade on my finger just a little bit to intensify that on the lid. And next we're taking Strobe Light on a small brush and applying that to the inner corner of our eye, and it really makes open the eye and make it really pop and stand out. So we're going to tightline with the Jordana 12-hour black point pencil, the LaColors liquid eyeliner on the upper lash line, do a thin line of that just to literally line your eye. And we're going to be using a combination of LaColors Cat Eye Mascara, which if you watch my review, I'm not the biggest fan of. And then we're also, I didn't like it, so I added LaColors Lift and Define Mascara, and I like this look so much better. And put a little on the lower lash line that looks really good against the green, in my opinion. And that's our finished look. I told you, it's easy peasy. And we're using the LaColors Holographic Iridescent Lipgloss. That's the only thing we're using on our lips. This gloss is amazing. $2 at the Dollar General. And we're using the Hard Candy Longwear setting spray with our fan there to fan ourselves off. Loving this look. I think it came out so pretty, it's so easy, and I think it was a good first look for our SUNKISSED eyeshadow palette. And I hope you guys will stay tuned for more eyeshadow tutorials. Check the description box for product lists as well as other links. Thank you always for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.